Hey guys, this is Chef Gautam Chaudhary, and I operate a company, a catering company called The Catering Inc. We have been in the business for pretty long time, have been in the industry for last 2+ decades. The Catering Inc. caters to a few of the very well-known industrialists across the nation. Today, we are going to do this masterclass in association with IHE and ICF. ICF, which is popularly known as Indian Culinary Forum. Indian Culinary Forum has been into existence for last 30+ years now, and has been doing some wonderful work. They have been aspiring some budding chefs, bringing them to a platform, educating them on how and where this industry is moving ahead towards, telling them about the regional cuisine and their benefits, ingredients, Ayurveda. There are some good aspects which are covered and which are taught by Indian Culinary Forum to the budding chefs. Today, one of those regional recipes that I am bringing forward, it is called Bhutte Ki Kees. It hails from a small area in Madhya Pradesh. Bhopal ki बहुत famous है Bhutte Ki Kees. Bhutte Ki Kees is nothing else but, if you bifurcate the word and understand, go into the details, it is bhutta. Kees is minced. So you mince or finely grate the bhutta, and you make a chaat. It's a very famous, well-known street food from Madhya Pradesh, and very flavorful. All very fresh ingredients which are used. There are not much of powdered spices and overload of garam masala, which is typically seen in Indian food. It is very fresh, very healthy, and we'll talk about, while we do the recipe, we'll talk about the health benefits of the recipe, and quick to do, doesn't take too long. So for Bhutte Ki Kees, the most important ingredient, as we spoke about bhutta, bhutta, if you go into the life cycle of corn, how it came forward, कैसे वो उसकी पॉपुलैरिटी कहाँ से हुई, कब पकड़ा, कब मिला, वो कुकिंग में कब यूज़ होना शुरू हुआ, कब ग्रो होना शुरू हुआ. इट हैज़ अ हिस्ट्री, अ वेरी लॉन्ग हिस्ट्री. 5500 BC के आसपास इसका पहला मेंशन है भुट्टे का. What you need to do is, you need to take this corn, pass it through a thick grater, और ग्रेट करके मैंने I have kept this stuff ready. इसको मैंने सिर्फ ग्रेट किया है. It is amazingly sweet. This is American corn. This is amazingly sweet. Very beautiful flavor. बहुत ज़्यादा calories नहीं होती, but it's a beautiful product. 100 grams of corn probably only gives around 80 odd calories. Sugar, it's a decent amount of sugar that it carries, but it is not a refined sugar. So आपका glycemic index बहुत slowly इसको absorb करता है, and it goes very well with your body. Your body takes time to digest this. So it's a very nutritious ingredient. Then the second ingredient that we'll be using is onion. I have finely chopped some onions, some green coriander, some green chilies, finely chopped ginger, cumin seeds, green chili, asafoetida, hing, mustard seeds, and desi ghee. There is this beautiful ingredient that comes complimentary, free of cost with your corn. It is very healthy, guys. Do not throw this. Make a broth of it. इसका बहुत ही अच्छा, बहुत ही स्वीट, बहुत ही फ्लेवरफुल इसका स्टॉक बनता है. यूटिलाइज दैट स्टॉक अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, एज सुन एज यू गेट अप. इसको आप बॉयल करके इसका पानी पिएं. इट इज़ वेरी हेल्दी एंड वेरी न्यूट्रिशियस. It has very high amount of antioxidants which can be used. Never throw this. You see when you see in the market, this particular ये जो इसका corn का जो hair है वो फेंक दिया जाता है. Do not throw it. It is beautiful ingredient. Okay, we'll start our cooking. In the meanwhile that the pan is getting hot, there is one important part which you must always keep in mind. जब भी आप green chilies को काटें या chop करें, make sure that you remove its seeds. They are highly acidic in nature. Seeds को remove करना is very easy. Just slit it into half and scrape off the seeds. Take the other half and scrape off the seeds. Finally chop the green chilies. Okay, the pan is hot enough. We'll take some desi ghee. Now in your day-to-day meals, shayad there are a lot of diet conscious people who speak about that you should reduce the amount of fat intake. Yes, you need to reduce the amount of fat intake, but always remember 20% of your plate should comprise of fat. It is very, very important that you take healthy fats, understand the difference between healthy fat and unhealthy fats. So do not avoid using oil, fried things which are done in probably corn oil or canola oil or any other oil. But desi ghee is very, very healthy. You should use it. So our oil is hot enough. We'll start with a combination of mustard seed. Always remember, whenever you are putting mustard seeds, the oil should be hot enough. It should be piping hot. The mustard seed should immediately crackle. Otherwise, it will turn your dish bitter. As we see, the mustard seeds are crackling. We'll add some cumin, followed by a touch of hing. Let the hing cook a little, and at that stage, we'll add some ginger, a touch of green chili. So once the fat has absorbed the flavors, at this stage we'll add some onions. Saute it well. Never cook your ingredients on a high flame. Always try to keep the flame as low as possible. Let them take its time. Let the food take its own time to cook. When we cook the food on high temperature, what happens is it burns from the outside, but it doesn't get cooked inside. You just have to make the onions translucent. Do not overcook it. We do not need fried, we do not need caramelized onions. So as soon as it starts to turn translucent, at that stage, add a touch of turmeric. And add your corn. The corn has the tendency, because it is high in starch, so it has the tendency to stick to the base. Make sure that you're continuously stirring. This is one quick snack when, whenever you have less of time and you want to do something interesting, innovative, all of a sudden there are some guests home, this recipe can be turned around. Just make sure that you keep stirring it continuously. अगर आप इसको ध्यान से देखें तो एक रबड़ी मटेरियल नीचे लग रहा है, एंड यू कैन सी इट. सो वो कंटिन्यूसली आप उसको स्क्रैप करते रहें, उसको वापस से मिक्स करते रहें. रिमेंबर when whatever you're cooking, make sure that you do not add salt in the beginning. Salt should be added at a later stage, because जैसे ही आप salt डालेंगे वो रिवर्स ऑस्मोसिस स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. उससे पहले उसका कैरामलाइजेशन होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. the product comes out much more flavorful. Otherwise वो पानी छोड़ना शुरू कर देता है और पानी छोड़ते ही उसका caramelization रुक जाता है. Within 3 to 4 minutes of cooking, you see that the material is getting sticky. एक doughy, flowy, doughy kind of a texture आपके सामने है. Keep cooking. We'll dry it a little more, and थोड़ा और dry करने के बाद we'll add something which जो इसको और ज़्यादा मखमली और ज़्यादा soft बनाएगा. We'll use some milk. मिल्क का एक स्वीट फैट इसमें ऐड होते ही इट विल चेंज द टेक्सचर एज वेल एज टेस्ट प्रोफाइल ऑफ द डिश. अब देखें पूरा एकदम डो बॉल जैसा बनता जा रहा है. एट दिस स्टेज विल ऐड सम मिल्क. सो पूरा की पूरा मिल्क इसमें एब्जॉर्ब हो गया है. It is again started to become a little sticky. Keep stirring it. Check its salt. We'll adjust the salt. आप इसमें इस स्टेज में थोड़ा बटर डाल सकते हैं, थोड़ी सी क्रीम डाल सकते हैं. फ्रेश डेयरी क्रीम ओनली, नो वेजिटेबल क्रीम प्लीज़. आप ये दो चीज़ें इसमें डाल सकते हैं टू मेक इट मोर नाइस, टू मेक इट मोर फ्लेवरफुल, टू मेक इट मोर स्वीटर. द कुकिंग इज़ डन. एट दिस स्टेज विल टर्न ऑफ द गैस. विल ऐड सम हरा धनिया, फाइन चॉप्ड हरा धनिया, एंड अ नाइस squeeze of lemon. The lemon acidity will make it tangy. You will get nice good flavors. Coriander एक freshness का feel देगा, lemon एक freshness का feel देगा. This particular recipe I love it because इसके अंदर सारे के सारे ingredients fresh use होते हैं. There is no powdered compounds which are involved. और ये हमारा प्रोडक्ट रेडी है. सो नाउ what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a plate. Just randomly throw it onto the plate. We do not need any mold, nothing. Randomly throw it onto the plate. Take some corn grass. Take a nice little lemon wedge. A green chili slit in two. I wanted to do some grated coconut. It goes very well along with some freshly grated coconut. Sorry we couldn't get it, but this is absolutely complete dish without the coconut as well. Do try, and I'll be looking forward to your feedbacks. Thank you so much.